Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do what's called the bamboo screwdriver. It calls for a dark rum. The original recipe, I guess it goes for Goslin's dark rum. I've never had Goslin's. I've never tried it. I don't have it, so I'm sure it's good. But what I got on hand is Jamaican rum, Appleton Estate Reserve Blend. This is a good one. I made this drink before with that one. I know it tastes good. So we're gonna do 1 ounce of rum, 1 ounce of Cointreau Orange Liqueur, 1 ounce of fresh orange juice, and 1/3 of an ounce of lime juice. And we'll use like maybe 4 dashes of Angostura Aromatic Bitters. But all right. I found this drink on Common Man Cocktails. It's a channel that I've followed in the past. And I still watch it every now and then. It's a good drink. Like I said, I made it before. You know what, I'm gonna start off squeezing the juices first. That takes longer. Sometimes it's kind of best to do the juices first, because you start pouring the spirits in there, it starts diluting it right away. So you want to start with the stuff that takes forever. So that way it doesn't dilute so quick. I guess if I had one of those juicer type deals where you just push down and twist, that'd be good. But this will do. This is usually orange squeeze, so that's sorry. This for later. So we got 1 ounce. One-third of an ounce lime juice. One-third. 1 ounce. And I'm sure you could use, like a Jamaican rum is already kind of cheap, but I'm sure you could use maybe a lesser quality. You don't. This ain't the lowest end. This is like, I think maybe 1 step up. But since you're mixing a drink, it's real fruity. You don't need to use some, really good quality stuff. But I don't think that bottle was like expensive. One ounce, and then we'll do 4 dashes of bitters, aromatic bitters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Doesn't call for a garnish, but I'll go ahead and do one anyways. The lime is kind of, the skin is kind of skinny. Yeah. Fuck it. Messed up on a little pigtail. Oh yeah. It's good. It's a real fruity drink. You definitely taste the orange and the lime and the bitters. I really like that. You can kind of taste it on the back end. Yeah, guys. Go ahead and try this one. I know y'all like it, but let me know what y'all think. All right, guys.